Hi, my name is Paul Deery and I purchased a Jutka unit from Beaver Log Cabins. So we decided on this cabin because of how it fits into our yard, number one, and what it actually offers in as much as you have indoor space that we've converted to the bar, and we also have outdoor seating areas that you can have for multi-purpose like dining or seating or even a hot tub or whatever you would want. And the inside we've decided to kit it out as a bar, so we actually have a fabulous entertaining space for family and friends. So basically we decided we would do something, we were going to do something a little tropical because of we go on a lot of vacations, a lot of holidays, and so we decided that we would just keep it more minimal but yet modern and clean lines. We decided to get all our products from our trips and have things on the walls that can remind us from places that we've been and experiences that we had. Working with Beaver Log Cabins I think was fantastic. They have a great range of products from first of all meeting Trevor and Stephen and having a good rapport with the guys, and then all the guys that came to do all the work on site, Gavin and his crew at the groundwork, Stephen and Christopher and the joinery teams, and then the painting teams. All the guys were actually very professional, very friendly, very helpful, and they turned out a fabulous product, something that we're extremely happy to have, proud that we have, and we're getting fabulous use from. The cost of the cabin was obviously increased because of the cost of the installation, the build and the installation, and I thought at the time that I could have done the job a lot less expensive than the quote. However, in hindsight, I'm actually quite glad that I didn't decide to do it myself when I seen the amount of work that was involved and the quality of the workmen that did the build for me, that I could never have done it in the time frame and to the quality that they did, even getting people to do it at a lesser price. The experience that we're having it's more than the value of the cost of the item. I mean, we've got a space now that we can actually come out of the house and use like we're in a different country, a different position, a bar, but yet we're still in our yard. We still have the flexibility to use it inside, outside. We're having friends and family over, we're having great experiences, making great memories with all our friends and family, and it's added value to the property, obviously, but that's not the primary motivation in getting this. I would just say if anyone is contemplating getting a product from Beaver Log Cabins, the expense might be what's putting you off. However, it's worth it in the long run because of the quality of the product, the after sales service, the maintenance. They look after you, they make you feel that you're a valued customer, and it's not like they're just there to take your money from you. I'm extremely happy with our experience dealing with Beaver Log Cabins, and I would absolutely recommend them for anyone that's contemplating an expensive purchase like this.